welcome back to my channel. This is Pratyusha from Pratyusha. I hope you're all safe and are staying indoors as much as possible. Please do not venture out if you do not have anything important to do. These are unprecedented times and I'm sure this too shall pass. For today's video, I have a process video of how to create a crackle effect nameplate. So let's get started. I'm using an ornate MDF base from the Elements Craft Studio and giving it a good base coat of gesso. Once gesso is dry, I tear the napkin pattern that I want by hand so that the edges are frayed and can be easily blended. I adhere the napkin to the base using decoupage glue. I then go about mixing a few acrylic colors to match the background of the napkin. I also overlap the paint on the napkin at the borders . And once this paint is completely dry, I use clear rock candy, Crackle medium by Ranger, and give a good coat to the base. In a few areas I give a good thick coat, and in the rest I give a thinner coat. Thicker coats gives bigger cracks, whereas thinner coats will give you finer cracks. This is how the base looks like once the Crackle medium is completely dry. To accentuate these cracks, I am using Viva Decor Inka Gold paste in the color brown gold. The paste settles into the cracks and the paste on the top gets cleaned off by the damp cloth. So our crackle effect base is finally ready. Now let's move on to writing the names and decorating the base. To make the names, I use alphabet thin cut dies from Little Birdie Itsy Bitsy. I cut the alphabets multiple times so as to stack them to increase the thickness and to improve upon the dimension. You can see the comparison of how a single die cut looks compared to the stacked one. I have heat embossed these alphabets with rose quartz and red tinsel embossing powder. This is how the alphabets look like after heat embossing. If you don't know how to heat emboss, I will leave a link to a tutorial where I have explained the process. You can check that out. I then stick these alphabets to the base. I use Deco Transfer from Itsy to add more interest to the background. I remove the transparent backing from the Deco Transfer after cutting out the desired ones and place them and press them into place. Then I take a damp sponge and wet the same. The white backing peels off and the transfer is done. I apply a coat of varnish to seal them in place. Also, to embellish further, I use various resin flowers in varying sizes and some metal embellishments from my stash. As a final touch, I add Deco foil accents and give 2 to 3 coats of varnish to seal the entire project. So this is how the final result looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching this process video. If you have any queries, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, stay home, stay safe, keep crafting and spreading smiles. Bye.